Want to learn how to incorporate these large acrylic balls that are shaped like ornaments, a glass mirror, some Uglu Dashes, and maybe some beaded wire into something creative that will wow your clients? I'm going to show you how to do that today. My name is Erik Witcraft AIFD. You can create this impactful arrangement that's really great for Christmas or for New Year's, perhaps for a wedding. To begin with, I took these 4 large acrylic Christmas ornaments, popped the tops off and filled them with water, anchored them to a mirror using Uglu strips. Next, I took some of the iridescent ornaments and just attached them to some of the Smithers-Oasis beaded wire. I sprinkled a little bit of snow to add a little bit of magic, and then I incorporated the peachy colored roses from Royal Flowers ink and some of the silvery Italian Ruscus that I sprayed out to add that little bit of sparkle and glisten. I added a little bit of the Dusty Miller to add some softness and some texture, and a little bit of the variegated lilygrass for movement. What a great outside-the-box centerpiece idea that you can share with your clients. It'll definitely show them a different side of your design skills and capabilities if you do something like this. Overall, I think this is a really stunning design. To finish it off, I pulled in some of the little 25mm micro glass balls in the iridescent and kind of the pearlescent colors, just to draw your eye into the design. To add a little more magic, consider sprinkling a little bit of snow over the top of it, just to give it that sort of freshly fallen snow kind of effect. A little tip for you, if you send your customers home with a little bag of that special snow, they'll think you're even more loving and special for them.